before you even try on your halo, make sure it's the right one for you. Always match between the mid-length and ends, not the roots. So if you're in between two shades, you're not sure what to decide on, I usually suggest going lighter. But in this case, because she's blonde, but she's not solid blonde, and she has the highlights and lowlights in her hair, which is perfect for this go-to blonde halo because it has the highlights and lowlights in there as well. Beach blonde would be if you were more of a solid blonde. This is literally the perfect match. So we're gonna go with the go-to blonde for you. I think that's gonna be the most natural on you. Okay, so now that we have you color matched, we are going to decide on the length. The length is going to depend on what you're wearing this for and your day-to-day lifestyle. Tatiana said that she is growing her hair out. So we obviously would not use the 12-inch, which is shorter than her actual length. Because it is finer and shorter, we could choose between the 16 or the 20-inch. If she was wearing this day-to-day, I would suggest getting the 16-inch because it's gonna feel a little bit lighter and more natural on her head. If it's a night out, I would definitely go with the 20-inch because it's gonna give her that long glam. Let's talk density. In the 16-inch, it does come in fine, medium, and thick. For everyday wear, versatility, I'd go for the medium for Tatiana. But this girl wants drama, so we are gonna go for the thick. It is our most dense, and it is going to give you the most body and volume.